Hey guys, don't say anything. I know I haven't been here in a while. But oh, let me pause this real quick. It's Sunday. It's Mother's Day. My mom's at work, so but Sundays we brunch. So today's just a little Sunday vlog, and I'm just taking you guys along with me. So let me show you my fit. Ignore the messy bathroom. But ooh, but yeah, we're about to leave. We're about to leave and head to brunch, so I'm taking you guys with me, so see you there. Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how sudden I'm feeling. Sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this feeling. 'Cause I've been so long, so long. Okay guys, I totally forgot I was vlogging. So I'm just back home. We didn't get everything that we wanted to get, but we still have a couple days before our trip. So I'm just gonna make some curry chicken. So I just cut up the chicken and I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna wash it with some lime juice and vinegar, and then once I'm cooking I will get back to you guys. Guys, I totally forgot that I was vlogging again. So this is just the curry chicken. I added all the seasonings and I'm just gonna cover it now and let everything cook. Oh sorry, let everything cook. And then once it's done and I'm plating it, we also did just make a quick run to the grocery store. I still have on my hat and everything. I made a quick run to the grocery store and I got my favorite wine, and it's the Stella Rosa, the tropical mango passion. Guys, if you don't like alcohol like me and you like sweet wines, this is the shit. It kind of tastes like juice. I wish it was a little bit stronger, but yeah. So, and I also have my brown rice cooking, because you know we're trying to be healthy. Trying to be healthy in this bitch. So I just added some butter. I didn't even add any salt, but oops, fogging up. And I'm just about to add some salt because I forgot. But hello camera. But yeah, so that's just what I am doing. And then I'll be done soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys once. I actually will see you guys once I'm done plating this. Ignore the boxes guys, my order is coming in because I'm going on vacay, so stay tuned for those other vlogs. Okay guys, get into it. I have some broccoli. I just use the steamable kind because it's much easier. Some curry chicken. I just took mainly, it's not only breast, I did other parts as well. And I have some potatoes and carrots and that, and then I just have a little bit of brown rice because you know I'm trying to be healthy. So yeah, I also got the glass of wine I was telling you about guys. This shit is crack. But anyway guys, I hope you have a good night and bon appetit.